High in southern Venezuela lies Cerro Sarisariñama, a tabletop mountain untouched by roads, paths, or men. Its top is flat, its sides rise sheer from the rainforest below. But what makes it strange are the holes, massive sinkholes, some over 350 meters deep, carved into the summit. Each holds its own isolated world of plants and creatures found nowhere else. Scientists believe the mountain's isolation preserved species for millions of years. Few have ever set foot there. Even the local Yequana people speak of it with fear. They say the mountain swallows anything that dares climb it. To this day, Cerro Sarisariñama remains one of the least explored places on Earth, a reminder that mystery still lives on our planet. And like this mountain, your worth doesn't need to be seen to be real. Some greatness grows in silence, some strength hides from sight. You don't have to be known to be remarkable. Subscribe to Vast and Unseen, where the hidden still breathe.